First time in London, post-mortems can now be performed in just 22 seconds. The future of post-mortem examinations has been arrived at London Borough of Waltham Forest, says Councillor Raja Ehsan Khan, Deputy Leader Waltham Forest Council.
Ehsan Khan, I'm the Deputy Leader in Waltham Forest. What you see behind me is a new digital autopsy facility that we have invested in. We made a decision in 2018, Waltham Forest Cabinet made a decision to invest £8.3 million in bringing forward this facility. The benefits of this will be that families who are hoping to bury their loved ones can receive a more streamlined service. By using CT scanner, we can undertake non-invasive post-mortems and also hopefully release bodies quicker.
Islamic and Jewish residents in the UK have welcomed the introduction of this technology, as their religion states that bodies should not be violated after death and should undergo a quick burial.
And so we hear from many religious communities within Waltham Forest. We work with our mosques and they told us that this was a real need within our community to undertake non-invasive post-mortems. That is the request of Muslims, that is the request of families, and that is the request of other religious communities, including the Jewish community. So we were very proud as a council to make this investment, having listened to the feedback from our communities. And that was in 2018, and to be here now 6 years later and seeing this facility delivered and CT scanner being used to undertake non-invasive post-mortems and now allowing families to, in what is probably one of the most difficult times for them, ease some of their pain and grieving by going through this process a lot quicker than we traditionally would have without these facilities.
In England and Wales, approximately 550,000 deaths are recorded every year, with around 100,000 of those needing a post-mortem examination. This is one of the highest rates across the globe.
Shows what you can do for one London borough, but actually it will serve a much wider area than that, and it will mean that our communities, our Muslim community, our Jewish community can have their needs met here in one place, and it's a symbol of our togetherness and our unity in Waltham Forest.